Hey, what's up? Sam here. It's been crazy. We've just entered the year 2022 and this is the first week. We've already had the Xiaomi 12 series, Galaxy S21 FE, the Realme GT2 and iQOO 9 series, which I will talk about in this video. Next week we have the phone Warner Magic V, the OnePlus 10 and maybe some other random phones, I don't know. Oh my god, the phone battle has already begun! These phone manufacturers don't seem to want tech reviews like me to have a good new year. But I like it, because more phones, more views, and more subscribers. Speaking of which, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. Our team didn't get any sleep just to bring you these reviews in time. Special thanks to my partner Phoenix Lab for providing the content for this video. Please subscribe to their channel, link is in the description. Without further ado, let's get started. First things first, the unboxing. Inside the box, we'll find the phone, some paperwork with the nonsense on it. Under that, we have an orange case, a pen, and a 120-watt charger. But this time, they adopted the gallium nitride technology, which makes the size smaller but still capable of 65 watts PD output, and it should be no problem to power most laptops on the market. Moving to the phone, what we got is the classic orange from iQOO. They use this plain leather texture material, which feels elegant. For the camera module, seems they are trying to catch up with Vivo flagship phones. Now the camera module fully extends the whole upper part. Remember that Vivo X70 Pro Plus? The same design language, right? But if we look closer, they have slightly different designs. But I guess they will learn this from Xiaomi 11 Ultra. The more dramatic the camera module, the more distinctive their phones will be. Compared to the iQOO 8 Pro, the size of the 9 Pro remains the same, while the 203 grams of weight and 9.21mm thickness are definitely not something you can easily ignore. The iQOO 9 Pro houses the newest Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, and if you're wondering about the Antutu benchmark or Geekbench test, here you go. It's in the first tier if we compare to others, but heat dissipation is still a big problem. To solve this, the iQOO 9 Pro sports a dramatic dissipation structure, which they called 18-layer stacked waterfall VC 3-dimensional cooling system, which sounds like a gimmick that probably doesn't help. I won't go into details about the technology, it's just too boring. We just did the 3D Mark Wildlife Extreme stress test. After 20 rounds of testing, the result shows that it has almost the same performance as the Moto Edge X30, but not as stable as the Xiaomi 12 Pro. The highest temperature reached to 55 degrees on the back and 50 degrees on the screen, which is super hot. As hot as this host from Phoenix Lab. Just imagine when you're playing games. Speaking of gaming experience, we tried the Jameson Impact in high graphics straight for 30 minutes. The frame rate remained at a good level and we didn't experience an obvious lag. The highest temperature on the front and the back are actually not that bad. Much better than the results when we were doing the 3D stress test. Anyway, it's enough for your normal daily gaming. To be honest, I don't even care because I don't play games. But I do care about battery life. It packs a 4700 mAh battery, which you can charge 38% in just 5 minutes and 40 top-up in just 18 minutes with their 120 watts fast charging adapter. That's crazy fast! As for the camera, iQOO 9 Pro sports a main 50MP snapper, a Samsung's new generation GN5 sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide-angle lens, Samsung GN1 sensor. It supports 150-degree viewing angle and 2.5 times 60MP telephoto lens. As iQOO told us that they will update a new firmware for the camera, so here in this video, we're not going to talk about the camera performance. Please subscribe if you want us to do more photo tests. Now about the screen, the iQOO 9 Pro comes with a 6.78-inch 2K 120Hz high refresh rate display. This screen is the Samsung E5 display that supports LTPO 2.0 technology. It has an excellent color performance from our test. It also incorporates an ultrasonic 3D wide-area fingerprint scanner, just like its predecessor. It's accurate, by the way. One thing we really love is because it has a super wide recognition area. You can unlock your phone at the same time enter a preset app to whether scan the QR code to pay or do other operations. It's convenient. And lastly, if you want to know the sound, we compared it with the Xiaomi 12 Pro. Let me know which one do you like most. 我想每天都见到你，想要展示我的
想每天都见到你，想要展示我的坏脾气。
Alright, that's the video. For us, this phone has great performance in almost every aspect and has no obvious shortage whatsoever. For me, it seems like this iQOO sub-brand is trying to kill the main brand, Vivo. For the pricing and availability, you can check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. I'm Sammy, and we'll see you in the next one.
Okay.